How to create the line wave text effect. Photoshop tutorial. Enable the line tool and draw a line. Select Actions. If you can't see it, go to the Windows tab and select it from there. Create a new action. Click the red button to record the next action. Hold the Alt key and drag the line to duplicate it. Click the Stop button to stop recording and finalize the action. Now click the Play button to copy the line multiple times at a go. Select all the line layers and convert to a smart object. Go to the Filters tab and select Liquify. Use the brush tool to add the liquify effect on your lines. Enable the Type tool and type over your text. Press Ctrl+T to resize. Drag the text layer below the Smart Object layer and create a clipping mask. Select both the text layer and the Smart Object layer, then click the link icon. And there you have it, your line wave text effect.